Let's adjust the default material size. So in the home ribbon, I'm going to go to the material setup, and here I see my material parameters. By default, if you install in inches, the default plate size is 96 by 48. But I want to work with a smaller plate for a little while, so I'm going to downsize this to 24 by 18. And now I have the option to save that as the default option. So if I click Save to Default, this now becomes my default plate size, so any new drawing will be started as a 24 by 18 inch plate. Then if I want to change this to, let's say, a 36-inch x-axis plate, if I want to reset to that default, I can click Reset to Default, and it'll go back to 24 by 18, as indicated up here. I can hit Close. And now if we create a new drawing, now I have that plate size set as my default.